The empires of the future are the empires of the mind. Winston Churchill. The extraordinary life you envision is closer than you think. You possess a remarkable tool, an innate ability to shape your reality through the power of your mind. This isn't about positive thinking or hoping for the best. It's about understanding how your thoughts and mental images directly influence the experiences you attract. What if I told you that you can use this power to manifest your deepest desires, to create a life that truly reflects your dreams? It might sound too good to be true, but countless individuals have already tapped into this potential and transformed their lives. This is your invitation to join them. At its heart, manifestation is a creative process. It's about intentionally directing your mental energy towards your desired outcomes. Think of your mind as a powerful transmitter, constantly sending signals into the universe. These signals, fueled by your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs, are like magnets that attract corresponding experiences back into your life. It all starts with your thoughts. Your mind is a fertile garden, and your thoughts are the seeds you plant. Positive, empowering thoughts cultivate a rich harvest of opportunities and abundance. Conversely, negative, limiting thoughts sow weeds that choke your potential. By becoming aware of your thoughts and consciously choosing to focus on what you want, you begin to shift the entire landscape of your reality. Feelings act as amplifiers, intensifying the signals you send out. When you feel joy, gratitude, and excitement, you supercharge the manifestation process, drawing your desires closer. Cultivating positive emotions is like turning up the volume on your broadcast, making it even easier for the universe to deliver what you seek. But what about beliefs? They act as the foundation upon which your entire reality is built. If you believe you're worthy of love, you'll attract loving relationships. If you believe you're capable of success, you'll open doors to new opportunities. Your beliefs are the filter through which you perceive the world, shaping your experiences at every turn. By examining and upgrading your beliefs, you lay the groundwork for a life that truly reflects your dreams. Now let's address some common misunderstandings about manifestation. It's not about passively wishing or hoping for things to happen. It's about actively engaging with your inner world and taking aligned action in the outer world. It's also not a quick fix or a magic wand. It requires dedication, self-awareness, and a willingness to grow. Manifestation isn't about bypassing challenges or denying difficult emotions. It's about facing them with courage and resilience, knowing that you have the power to navigate any storm. It's also not about manipulating or controlling others. It's about creating a life that is authentic to you and respecting the free will of those around you. Contrary to popular belief, manifestation isn't just about attracting material possessions or achieving external goals. It's about cultivating inner peace, joy, and fulfillment. It's about aligning your life with your highest values and purpose. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and making a positive impact on the world. Many people mistakenly believe that manifestation is a solitary pursuit. While it's important to take ownership of your journey, you don't have to do it alone. Recall that manifestation is a skill that can be developed and refined. Just like any other skill, it takes practice and patience. But with consistent effort and a willingness to learn, you can master the art of creating your own reality. So, open your mind, accept your power, and prepare to go on an extraordinary adventure. The life you've always dreamed of awaits. On the path to manifestation, you might encounter roadblocks, internal hurdles that seem to hold you back. These are often rooted in limiting beliefs, those nagging doubts that whisper, "You're not good enough," or "You don't deserve it." These beliefs, often formed in childhood or through past experiences, can cast shadows on your brightest dreams. But here's the empowering truth. You have the power to break free from these self-imposed limitations. Start by recognizing them. Pay attention to the thoughts that arise when you think about your desires. Do you feel a sense of unworthiness or disbelief? Once you've identified these mental blocks, challenge them. Question their validity. Ask yourself, is this really true? Or is it just an old story I've been telling myself? Replace those limiting beliefs with empowering affirmations. Repeat phrases like, I am worthy of abundance, or I am capable of achieving my dreams. Feel the truth of these words in your heart and let them wash away the doubts that have held you captive. Recall that self-love is not selfish, it's essential. When you love and value yourself, you open the door to receiving all the good things life has to offer. Visualization is more than just daydreaming. It's a deliberate act of creation. It involves using your senses to vividly imagine your desired outcomes, as if they've already happened. Close your eyes and see yourself living your dream life. Feel the emotions that come with it. The joy, the excitement, the gratitude. Engage your other senses as well. Hear the sounds of laughter. Taste the sweetness of success. Smell the fragrance of accomplishment. To get started, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Now, bring to mind one of your goals. Imagine yourself already achieving it. Make it as real as possible. Notice the details, the colors, the textures, the sounds. As you immerse yourself in this experience, feel the emotions welling up within you. Hold on to that feeling for as long as you can. The key to effective visualization is consistency and emotion. Make it a daily practice. Dedicate a few minutes each day to visualize your goals. The more you do it, the stronger your mental images will become, and the more aligned you'll be with your desires. And remind yourself that emotions are the fuel that powers manifestation. So, allow yourself to feel the joy of your dreams as if they're already yours. Navigating a vast ocean without a map or compass can lead to drifting aimlessly, never reaching your destination. Similarly, vague desires and unclear goals can result in unfocused energy and missed opportunities. Clarity is not just about knowing what you want, but also about understanding why you want it. When your goals are aligned with your values and purpose, they resonate with your soul, fueling your motivation and passion. Think of it as setting a sail that catches the wind, propelling you forward with effortless grace. To achieve your goals, break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. This creates a sense of progress and momentum, keeping you motivated and engaged. Celebrate each milestone along the way, recognizing the effort you've put in and the growth you've experienced. Recall that the journey is just as important as the destination. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the door to abundance. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your perspective from lack to abundance. You open yourself to receiving more of the good things in life. Make it a habit to regularly express gratitude for the blessings you already have. You'll be amazed at how quickly your life begins to transform. Optimism is another powerful tool in the manifestation toolbox. When you believe in the possibility of good things happening, you create a magnetic field that attracts positive experiences. Challenge negative thoughts and replace them with positive affirmations. Speak to yourself with kindness and encouragement. Surround yourself with uplifting people and environments. As you cultivate a positive mindset, you'll notice a shift in your energy and a greater sense of alignment with your desires. Manifestation is not a passive process. It's a dynamic dance between your inner world and outer actions. It's the bridge that connects your dreams to tangible results. While visualization and mindset are essential, they are not enough on their own. Inspired action is the catalyst that brings your desires to life. Imagine a sculptor with a vision for a masterpiece. They can meticulously plan and envision the final creation, but until they pick up their tools and begin chiseling away, the statue remains dormant within the block of marble. Similarly, your dreams may be vivid and well-defined, but they require action to materialize. Inspired action is not about forcing or striving. It's about aligning your actions with your vision. It's about taking steps that feel authentic and aligned with your inner guidance. These steps don't have to be grand or dramatic. In fact, small, consistent actions often yield the most significant results. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a declaration of your commitment to your dreams. As you move forward, be open to opportunities that present themselves. Sometimes, the universe delivers unexpected pathways to your goals. Trust your intuition, follow your gut feelings, and seize those moments of serendipity. These seemingly random events may be the very stepping stones you need to reach your destination. The principles of manifestation apply to every aspect of your life. Whether you're seeking financial abundance, a fulfilling relationship, vibrant health, or a rewarding career, the power of your mind can help you achieve your goals. To manifest wealth, visualize yourself enjoying financial security and abundance. Feel the gratitude for the resources you already have and the excitement for the abundance that is flowing towards you. Take inspired action by exploring new income streams, investing wisely, or starting a business. To manifest love, visualize yourself in a loving and fulfilling relationship. Feel the warmth of connection, the joy of shared experiences, and the security of mutual support. Take inspired action by opening your heart to new connections, expressing your affection, and nurturing existing relationships. To manifest health, visualize yourself feeling vibrant, energized, and full of vitality. Feel gratitude for your body's ability to heal and thrive. Take inspired action by making healthy choices, moving your body regularly, and nourishing yourself with wholesome foods. To manifest career success, visualize yourself excelling in your chosen field, making a meaningful contribution, and receiving recognition for your achievements. Feel the excitement of pursuing your passion and the satisfaction of making a difference. The path to manifestation is not always a smooth one. It's a journey with twists and turns, ups and downs. There will be moments of doubt, setbacks, and challenges. But keep in mind that these are not signs of failure. They are simply part of the process. Patience is your ally. The seeds you plant through your thoughts and actions take time to germinate and blossom. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Trust in the timing of the universe, knowing that everything is unfolding in perfect alignment with your highest good. Persistence is your fuel. When faced with obstacles, don't give up. Instead, use them as opportunities to learn and grow. Reassess your approach, adjust your sails, and continue moving forward. Recall that every setback is a stepping stone towards your ultimate goal. Faith is your compass. When doubts cloud your vision, hold on to your faith. Believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, and believe in the power of the universe to conspire in your favor. Trust that even when things seem uncertain, you are being guided towards your highest potential. When setbacks occur, don't let them derail your progress. Acknowledge your feelings, learn from the experience, and then let it go. Dust yourself off, refocus your energy, and keep moving forward. Recall that every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Celebrate every victory, no matter how small. Each step you take towards your goals is a cause for celebration. Acknowledge your progress. Give yourself credit for your efforts, and let the joy of accomplishment fill your heart. These small wins are not just moments of happiness. They are fuel for your motivation, propelling you towards even greater achievements. Maintain a positive outlook, even in the face of adversity. Choose to focus on the good, to see the silver lining in every cloud. Your attitude is a powerful magnet, attracting the experiences and outcomes you desire. Recall that the universe responds to your energy. So, radiate positivity and watch as your dreams unfold before your very eyes. As we reach the end of our video, recall this. You are the artist of your own life. You possess the power to shape your reality, to manifest your dreams, and to create a life that truly reflects your heart's desires. The journey may not always be easy, but it is within your grasp. Harness the power of your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. Set clear goals, cultivate a positive mindset, and take inspired action. Overcome challenges with patience and persistence, celebrating every victory along the way. The world is your canvas, and your imagination is your brush. Paint a picture of the life you want to live, and then step into it with confidence and joy. The power to create your own reality is yours. If this video has sparked your interest in the limitless possibilities of manifestation, please show your support by liking and subscribing.